Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Detailed Recipes channel. A natural and healthy dessert variety will be made in this video, apricot pulp recipe. There is a total of 5,500 grams of apricots. 4 glasses of sugar and 5 glasses of water will be used. Preparation begins with washing the apricots. If you cannot find apricots in this season, you can try it with other fruits. You can use black plum, peach, persimmon fruit and similar fruits. The seeds of the apricots are removed and this kernel will be used inside. The seeds of this apricot genus are not bitter and can be eaten. This is a 5-liter pot, but for comfortable cooking, a 10-liter pot should be used. Adding sugar, 4 cups granulated sugar. Five glasses of water, and if there is too much water, you can take it to make some juice. Fruits washed, seeds removed, sugar and water added, now needs to be boiled. Since an aluminum pot is used, it is necessary to cook with the lowest fire. Mix together and boil the apricots. Walnut kernels and apricot kernels are being prepared. Soak in hot water to peel off the apricot kernels. It is a bit difficult to do with one person. Things are made easier with the help of the household. Apricot kernels are removed and peeled. Walnuts are prepared. Walnuts and apricots are mixed with a mixer and prepared finely. Very good to add on apricot pulp. Without this mixture it would be a really big flavor deficiency. Apricots are cooked carefully on low heat without burning. As you can see, the apricots were cooked to a puree consistency. 500 grams of apricot juice separated. You can add 2 liters of water and drink it like a juice concentrate. Crush the apricots with a blender and remove the pulp. The consistency that will not be too solid and not too liquid can be this way. It should be spread when you pour it into the tray. A little butter is spread on the bottom of the trays. The purpose of applying butter is that it will be easier to remove from trays when dry in the sun. You can calculate it like 1 tray comes out of 1 kilogram of apricots. It has 5.5 kilograms of apricots and can be made up to 5-6 trays. Don't be confused, this amount has been too much, it should be a thinner layer. We can say that 3 large trays, 1 medium size and 2 small trays, 5 trays output. Crushed walnut mixture is added on it and when dried, they will stick. few trays will be left plain, and after drying you can prepare them as a triangle filling. I think the easiest and most delicious ones are those with walnuts. Apricots are left in the sun and will dry for 2-3 days depending on the sun. But it will not be too dry, it should have some softness on it. If there are many flies in the environment, close it if there are tall curtains or fly screens. If you are in a very dusty environment, you can cover it with thin white cloths. It must be breathable. After 2 days, the apricots are dry and look like fruit pulp. If the fruit pulp is on a round tray, cut it out as a square. Use a spatula. If it is on the aluminum tray, do not press the spatula too much. It may be very inconvenient. It doesn't matter if the fruit pulp is slightly torn. Roll it up and press. Thinly sliced apricot pulp with plenty of walnuts. Triangle shapes that you can prepare with plain pulp will be made. Coconut, walnut, hazelnut and apricot with a little honey. It will be useful to press it with a roller to make it a little thinner and pass over it. It is necessary to put the material inside and close it in a triangle. Takes a bit of work to do. There is not much fuss in the flat version, and it has plenty of material. Easily take out from the square tray, roll and slice to the size you want. The first is thinly sliced. This version looks like Turkish delight, sliced thicker. You can make plain apricot pulp. Take it out and slice it in a straight square shape. Take out plenty of walnut fruit, slice it in a flat square and fold in a triangle. You can apply this if you want the walnut to appear and have a beautiful shape. The backside sticks together very well. These fruit pulp can last 3-6 months in the refrigerator, or 1 year in the freezer. It has a slightly sour and sweet taste. If you want more sweet, increase the sugar ratio. The apricots were boiled and poured into soup-like trays and dried in the sun for 2 days. The strips taken from the trays were prepared in different ways and became ready for service. There are dried in the sun made a lot of food in Turkey. As a sun-dried dessert, this is very healthy. Click the bell icon to get notification of the newest videos. Turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you in the new video.